salon today. Look, we've got all of our things.
Oh, look at that.
And it's freezing cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
But he's in his pyjamas, so he doesn't want to be shown. Well, he's in his shorts and t-shirt, and it's like, what, 4 degrees?
It's fucking cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, shit, sorry.
That's alright. On our way to do some makeups and paint faces for today. We're about to walk, well, I'm getting Enzo to walk me back to the salon. I've had a 2.5 hour gap in between, but have a little boot tour and I need to take some of the bits with me. What's this? So we've got a Miley, a new lamp. I'm so excited for this, for £12.90. £12.90, yeah, for boots. 2 new tans. Dove tan, this is like the best tan. This goes on clear, it's fab for £2 each, £2.80 something. And then I need to take this with me now, an e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Highlight, and then just a dry shampoo which was on offer for £2.40. So there's my mini boots haul. Lip balm. We're walking to the post office. Well, I'm walking back to the salon, but I didn't take the straw out. It's fine. We're walking into the post office like this.
Yep.
We've ordered a curry, and that is our wild Saturday night. What do you want to watch? I'm probably just going to watch like Yellowstone. Cooper agrees. He's not forced. He's like, why is he not trying to get it off? He's like, oh, fair enough. This is my fate. This is the highlight of my day. That's banging. And Reginald, can you show your
There you go.
he was boring and got a coma.
Yeah.
Big snores. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, she looks so disappointed. Where's she going? Come on. Explosion. Explosions.
What's this one?
Cooper doesn't like this one. Come here, Cooper. Where's paw? Hand. Good girl. Nice. Do you want one of them, Cooper? You don't only like this one. Do you want one of them ones? How you doing? What have we got for you, eh? Thanks. Been to Home Bargain again. It's like weekly Sunday routine. Oh, that's stuck on there. What did we get? House tip. We got another clothes area because I took ours outside and now it's rusty and I don't want to bring it back inside. So we have another clothes area. Bovril is not exciting. What did we get for you too? What are these for you? What did we get for you? Okay, sit bums. Cooper, sit. Oh, sorry. Sorry, she's whacking it. Take this off. Paws, hand, hold hands, give me a paw, proper paw, up. There you go! Yeah! 2 scrunchies, nothing exciting. A pork and pickle sausage roll. And I also got one of these as well. And loads of coat hangers. Because we have no clothes storage upstairs. And then I've got these 2, I think they're food container boxes, but the clip-on ones weren't big enough. And I'm going to put cat litter in these in both bathrooms and then get some scoopers. Just so easier than having like the bags of cat litter everywhere. So that's our random shop. House is an absolute shit tip today. You like your toys? Cold one. Some laptop work to do hopefully by the time this goes up, Enzo has a new job. So let's hope and pray and manifest all of the gods in the universe. But this won't go for like a couple more weeks, so hopefully we can manifest now that I'm saying it, speaking it into existence. And then yeah, that's life. Life throwing some cables at us at the minute, but we've got some bits and bobs to do now, some letters to write and stuff, and then we might go to in-laws for tea. And that is all Sunday, isn't it, Babs? Having fun.
Yeah.
Yay. I look so pale. I'm gonna go on my arse in a minute. Tired.
The difference in breeds.
You would not think that Cheech is what, 12?
Yeah, it's really nice.
And Coops is 5. He's like, oh, tired. It's enough now. Is it all of them in there? Okay, it wasn't. At this. 4. £2. And we have an onion, a lime, and a pepper.
I have the left paw, and then the right paw,
Yeah.
and then the left paw, and then the
Oh,
right
look,
paw.
look.
Are you doing it too? Give the left one.
Other one. I love how he goes so
Yeah.
fast. Oh, good boy, Cooper.
One.
All the way up, good boy.
And your one.
There he is.
Gentle.
Right, we got a wine, which I forgot to scan my Morrison's More card, so instead of £6.50, it was £8. We got Chichi Bella. Chichi Bella some more food. Yeah, I'll put that in there.
Yeah, put that in there.
Yeah.
Put on there.
Bananas, grapes. Lorenzo wants grapes for grapes and cheese night, apparently. More food. Fajita mix. We are having fajitas for tea, aren't we? And more food for Chichi Bell. Yeah. Some rice and a milk. Very random chocolate shop. £200, which, you know, as soon as I leave the house, I spend £200, which is why I don't leave the house very often. It's mother. We're gonna drive home now. And the Abarth makes a horrible noise. I don't think I've actually filmed in this car. I've only ever filmed in the Panda. Okay. Alright. There's no need for that. He drives a sporty Fiat 500. How far are we? 26 minutes from El Homes. Where you go? What?
That's what.
On way to. Is she a great auntie?
Yeah.
Great aunties and uncles for coffee. This car makes me want to vomit. I think you can see here, there's Manchester. Over there. It's also going to let me drive it, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're actually going to trust me to drive it? Let's hope I don't hit a curb, because I hit a curb. I hit a curb in my car this morning on the way to the salon. Really?
It's got a lot of engine braking.
I really don't like the tinted back window. I feel like I can't see.
What the fuck is this bus
What the
doing?
fuck's he doing?
Oh, there's another bus.
Don't think I'll like going fast, I can't lie. And we're not even in sport mode or in eco.
No.
I mean, it definitely doesn't feel like 70.
Put your foot
No.
down. Go on.
No,
Go on, just
No, no.
literally throttle down, just see what it's like.
no,
Go on.
no, because the car's there. If he wasn't there, I could. But he is too close. I'm about to come up to the roundabout.
Close.
Be a safe driver.
We're miles off the roundabout. Put your foot down.
I don't like it. I don't like it. You don't like it.
Keep going.
I'm going. Oh. We swap cars. We're on our way home. Look at these besties. Look at him, off to do the garden. Just putting a wash on. I don't know why it seems to be a team involvement. Okay then. Hello, it is Sunday. I haven't vlogged in I think about 10 days. I've done little snippets like over certain bits that we've done, but that won't go into like the vlog at the end of the month, which you'll find out by then. But we have Chi-Chi staying with us until the end of October because the in-laws are on holiday. So she's with us, aren't you, Chi-Chi Belle? She's 12. She's still got a lot. She's still just like rapid as a typical Springer is. Aren't you? Are you gonna chill and sit down? She's also getting on really well with the cats, which we were shocked that we didn't expect her to get on with them at all. But she's actually been really good. You don't bother them, do you? And they don't bother you. Yeah, it's been good. So today's a Sunday. Enzo's outside like strimming and like de-weeding the garden. And I'm going to sort out my wardrobe for like a cleaning video, sort out all of our clothes. Hoover in here, carpet clean both bedrooms because Poppy decided to throw up again, which is, yeah, she eats her food too quick and then throws up, doesn't she, Chi-Chi Belle? Yeah, she does. And then we've had a situation on the stairs this morning where I put Poppy's food on the stairs, like a bowl on the stairs, so that it was away from the dogs. And Harriet jumped over the baby gate, jumped on the food, and then the bowl went everywhere. So that's been our Sunday. So I need to scrub my way downstairs, and then Chi-Chi, don't play with the tripod. And then yeah, just do some deep cleaning because the house smells very doggy, very full of very pet, which is fine. And I've made a coffee because if you see the state of this room, it's really not a vibe. But that is our Sunday plan. I'm so used to having independent pets. Like Cooper's a very independent boy, but I've never had a dog that has like separation situations. You're very needy. Yes, you are very, very needy. But she is that cute. I don't know. I'm just not used to having a dog that like wants to be attached to me, because like Cooper's just such a very chill, independent boy. But yeah, you gonna clean with me today? Yeah? Yeah? Okay then. Right, let's get cracking. Let's get cracking, Chichabel. This is my job today. So sort all this out and sort my wardrobe out because it's an absolute shit tip.